Hi, my name is LAKSHMI RUDRANGI and today I'll be showing you how to make a Venezuelan Majarete. This dish is also made in other Latin American countries like Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, and Cuba. For this dish, we will use white cornmeal, brown sugar, whole milk, coconut flakes, ground cinnamon, and nutmeg. In a pot, mix 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of milk, and 1 can of coconut milk or cream. Put the pot on medium heat and constantly stir until it starts to bubble. Now we will add 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of coconut powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Remember to stir while you're cooking it and wait for 2 to 3 minutes until it's done. After it's done cooking, pour it into a bowl and put it in the fridge for 3 hours or until it is fully solid. The dish majarete is a corn pudding. The dish has been passed down from generations to generations. Majarete is often eaten at social gatherings or parties rather than as everyday desserts because of its richer, more elaborate preparation. When the European settlers arrived in Venezuela, they showed new ingredients and cooking techniques that were eventually incorporated into local recipes. Over time, a corn-based pudding evolved. Many ancestors used cooked sweet corn, which takes a lot of time to peel and cook. To make it simpler and more modern, I use pre-cooked cornmeal. After cooling in the fridge for 3 hours, this is how it turned out. Now I'm just going to slightly pat it and pour it over it to make it go on the plate. You can keep it up or down, but I chose to keep it down. To finish it off, we will just put a little bit of cinnamon and cut it up.